I was very excited when NAPA approached me to ask for input on a permit-to-work system. This will definitely complement our, let's say, NAPA suite of applications that we already have, from Fleet Intelligence to Logbook to a Decision Support System, etc. Permit-to-work is definitely one of those tools that will make the life of the officers and crew on board of our ships much easier. Permits to work are very important for safe working practices. So these permits traditionally have been a lot of shuffling of paper around and collecting signatures and running from A to B to get all of the components in place. And now with the permit to work system, we can do that digitally. So it takes away all the extra time that we need to complete it. It can be done more accurately. It is easier to monitor. For instance, watchkeepers on a bridge or in an engine control room can get an instant view of what permits are being used, which ones are open, which ones are about to expire, so that they need to follow up upon. It is a much easier to digest source of information than a whole stack of papers that traditionally it used to be. So yeah, I was very excited that I was able to participate in the development together with, I think, quite a few other colleagues from other companies to give input on how we would like to have this permit to work system developed. And I think that's one of the strong points of NAPA in general, that they really go out to the marketplace to say, hey, what is it that you need? So I was very happy that I could give my opinion, and not only me, my colleagues on the ships from different levels had a similar amount of input, and this is the result. I think it will be a great product.